My main intention is to live at present and speak something on camera to improve my communication skills. And the other thing also, I can think something because I totally live in fantasy world. That's why I am now trying to live at present, live in present. I have I have spent my today 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 almost almost means less than good because actually I can use these 3 hours efficiently, but I did not use efficiently. I almost 2 hours I watched different videos. At that time I should focus on a study, and I have wasted my time in talking with my parents, and talking with my sisters also. So means after 5 o'clock when I come, uh, I don't know. I don't realize how the time passes so fastly. And now it's been 11:40 o'clock. So now it's difficult to study more things on problem solving. So after speaking something on camera, I'll go on bed. Of course, I don't today I have not completed even single code. I've not solved any problem. So that's regret of my too. That's regret. I could really used that time I have wasted. I can never defeat my ego. Ego will also ego will always defeat me, and I cannot do anything for myself now. I in this moment I totally feel helpless. There is something there is something regret in my heart that I could use these 2 hours efficiently. Have to be more and more conscious about time because time is passing so quickly, right? Like fast train, and I'm totally unconscious about it. So let's just take talk about any topic which is important. Today I have studied something about data science, artificial intelligence, and some machine learning also. and about the evolution of computers, like how computers mm, computers means getting more and more advanced by the passing of time, like 1940, it actually starts from 1940 and 1950 to 1950, first phase. Second phase 1950 to 1960. Third phase 1970 to 1960s to 1970, 1970 to 1990, 1990 to present. Means it actually getting advanced and advanced, like first 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 they used vacuum tube for circulatory uh, and after that we use transistors, we replace it. And today I also learn something about quantum computing, that how it will make easy for doing a lot of practicals, like it will help, it can help in laboratories, like doing multiple doing enormous problems simultaneously. So in comparison with computer, yeah, obviously quantum computing has very high high and high efficient. And I also studied something that in the quantum computing, it basically it basically like in computer it is run on binary system, but in quantum computing it's been a quit like this qubit something like that. Qubit is used in this both 0 and 1 can be both in a state in same. 0 and 1 can both happen simultaneously. It's also called superposition. I learned something, but I didn't understand properly. I have not understood properly. But I hope in future it will get discovered, and mm, people's lifestyle will get more and more advanced. I've done. I have understood the problem in coding the problem of anagram, right? Like how to two strings is given. I have to check that both are an anagram, like from both a string. Uh, there should be equal number of frequency of equal number of frequency, and character should also match, uh, and character and their frequency should match with other string. So I understood it by help of unpaired, by the help of hash map, like it stores pair key and their value. With the help of understood that how to check. So on which topic I was discussing, yeah, there should be some new topics. What can we? When I'm trying to think, I get blanked. When I try to think anything, I in my mind nothing comes. It's like a blank. How to think, I don't know. Simply. This is because um, this is because I'm not totally involved in this problem. I'm not. I'm not flexible at that much to get involved, to get totally focused and concentrated in that problem. That's why it it's a problem created, that my mind get blank. So what we are, on which we topic we have to discuss. Let's discuss about human bodies, like human bodies. Yes, human body is really a beautiful creature of God. Creature of God. It's really beautiful creature of God. Creator of God. God has created a beautiful things, that is human being, like human body, like human body. mm, I'm thinking about that. The possibilities to survive human being. Now I'm trying to act, I am thinking something, but and my mind is totally blank, and I don't thinking anything. When I'm trying to think, it means I am not thinking. When I'm not trying to think, means I already have think. But one thing is clear that uh, living at present is one of the best thing of human life, because usually we wasted our life by thinking past and future, so that we should learn to live at present in every situation. Human body, like all animals, all human beings, all living beings, non-living beings, what are these? These all are same thing. Like the wave of uh, the wave of energy. When we can say it can be wrong, we can say it when wave started to grow, the life forms, living the non-living things is converted into living things, when a wave is going to its ampli- amplitude amplitude when a wave is increasing its function. It means that we are getting we are made by non-living things. When the energy wave started to increasing, when energy wave started to decreasing, we are going towards that material from which became we are starting to go we are starting to go near them. So it's all about like in like as we have studied that in see how wave uh, wave is wave is arise and wake up. But what is non-living things? Non-living things. Earth scientist, Earth scientist has found that non-living things is made up of particles and particles. Everything is made up of particles, right? When particles, mm, one thing is clear that particle have now I particles have only particle nature. So how it get attracted mm, uh, or repelled? How actually they got that type of abilities to attract or repel, or he have some charges on it? How it got that property? If anything is normally a particle, then how it will get charges charges is all charges electron electron is a particle on which uh, 1.69 1.69 into 10 to power I don't know minus 11 I don't know uh, these charges on electron have means that uh, they have charges electron actually electron is charge I have to study more. I have to study more and more deep. I don't. I'm totally. I don't think. I cannot think anything because I'm totally a dumb student. I'm lower than average students, and I was unconscious about. Always feel like I have more abilities. I have more this and that, but. But 2 days ago, I realized that I'm nothing. I'm less than everyone. I have to study lots of things, but I always wasted my time. I, I have interest in I have proper interest in studying different things like a study about computer, about physics, about mathematics, about everything I actually want to study. But the problem arises that I I get uh, distracted with I get distracted easily. The problem actually arises here that I am not I cannot give my full attention towards on what I am doing right now. I from please please from tomorrow onwards uh, you have to try your best to not spend to not best even 10 minutes of your day 10 minutes utilize even 10 minutes of a day in in a useful manner so that you will go more and more closer to the Durga Ma. Please Raju, do not waste your time. Just use every single minute you have. Please just use every single minute you have to go closer and closer because time is lost. You are losing your time, so you have to be at present and just not get distracted in anything. You have to be conscious. You have to be conscious in each and every situation for if you want to actually improve your situation. Otherwise you will get trapped otherwise you will get totally trapped in the situation and for lifetime you will receive fears from the society where you are belonging or where you are living, and you always try to yearn respect and yearn the, the thing try to yearn things which you might not required for yourself. So try to get rid of all this kind of problem and just focus on just focus on the growth of yourself. And the growth means just and just pray with ego that please don't harm me, please give me way that I could get rid of you. Please help me, please help me you also. So by doing anything like yoga from knowledge, just only thing just only thing except expect that the growth of you should be on a first priority. And when and the growth should bring your happiness, your enjoyment in the life. Obviously for first priority is happiness in life. So it usually comes with when we give our full attention on which work I'm doing right now. So that's please my dear man, please help me in focusing on in giving concentration on that work on which I'm doing. Please my man, give that type of focus on which I can give my full attention to it. Thank you.